How to fix Facebook login problem on PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. And if you're having problem logging in, simply make sure you have right username, email, and password. Also, if you have two-step verification, make sure the code is right. If it still does not fix your problem, open new tab and then search for Facebook and try to log in here. And if you're still having problem, simply click on your Wi-Fi at the bottom and make sure your Wi-Fi connection is stable. If it does not work, you can switch to mobile hotspot as well. Also, you can go to settings and make sure your Windows is updated as required. And this is how to fix Facebook login problem on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.